Welcome to Embsew. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider feather stitch. This is the style 1. First, bring the needle up from the underside of the fabric. Then bring the needle down and bring on the middle line. The style 2. If you want the stitching to be symmetrical, embroider like this. Bring the needle next to the previous stitch. It looks a lot like fly stitch. This way is often used to embroider leaf and filling. In the following part, I will also illustrate by embroidering a leaf. This is single feather stitch. To end the stitch, secure the loop with a small stitch. Do you see the difference? The first part has staggered stitches. In the next part, the stitches are symmetrical. The center line is a straight line. Style 3. Single feather stitch. This is also single feather stitch. Unlike style 2, this stitch will be worked on 4 lines. Please follow me. After finish the chain stitch, you will see that the center line has a zigzag shape. Style 4. Double feather stitch. This is a double feather stitch. To embroider this stitch, I will make on 5 lines. This is a very popular stitch for decorating borders. It looks so simple to make, but so beautiful. In addition, you can customize it to suit your project or create more new, more beautiful and unique way. How is it going? Have you learned how to embroider feather stitch yet? This is style 4, double feather stitch. This is style 3, single feather stitch with a zigzag center line. Style 1, stitchy and staggered. Style 2, the stitchy and symmetrical. Now, I will use feather stitch style 1 to embroider a leaf. So, how will it be embroidered? Please, watch the video continue. This is a sparsely embroidered leaf. If you want to embroider it on over, do it the following way. I will embroider it by using style 2. Just like that, embroider until the end of the leaf. Do you think this video is useful? Please subscribe to my channel to watch more instructional videos. And don't forget to give me a like to this video can get more views. Thank you very much. Next, I will apply this stitch on my design. First, I will embroider a leaf like the way I instructed, specifically style 2, the way that covers the entire surface. Embroider one more leaf. I will flexibly use the 4 style that I mentioned in the beginning. Flexible customization with actual embroidery. You can create new embroidery ways as long as it is still beautiful. Now, for the flowers, I use true color of threads, dark and light like this. Have you guessed out what I want to embroider yet? It looks like a blast of crystals. In this flower part, I will embroider especially with feather stitch like open fly stitch.